Hello student, how are you? I hope you will be fine. Standard 6, we learn about chapter number 2, angle. Previous year time we learn about the different types of the angle, and now we learn to draw the angle and bisect using a compass. Before it, open your compass box and identify every instrument from the compass box. It is called ruler. It is ruler. Another one, it is compass. It is compass. The one tip is formed by metals and another one using for the pencil. Join the pencil with compass this type. The both legs are equal. Okay, this type, very tight. Next to them, it is divisor. It is divisor. So both ends are metals. You know, it is protector. And this protector we use and get the information about the protector previous time. Now it is the set square number 1. Here are 90-degree angle, here 60-degree and here 30-degree. Means one vertex 30-degree, one of the 90-degree and third vertex is 60-degree angle. Now it is second set square. The one of the 90-degree angle, others vertex is 45-degree and another one 45-degree. It's called set square 45, 90, 45. It is set square 30, 90, 60. Now it is protector. To draw the, it is useful to draw the angle and count the measure of angle. It is compass with pencil. It is divisor. It is the ruler. Do you understand the different types of instrument in your compass box? Now student, we learn to draw an angle bisector using a compass. Now, what is the meanings of bisector? The line which are divided a figure into two equal parts. Now, use the ruler and pencil, draw an arc on paper. Now, there are both are Give the name B, C and also B, C. Okay. Now use the protector. Now you know it is protector. We get the information previous time. It is center point and it is baseline. Now the center point on the exactly B. Exactly on B. Okay. The center point exactly on B and the baseline exactly on BC. Do you understand? Now it is curved side. It is curved side. There are given 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. It's a inside number. Now you know the vertex point to your left hand. So use inside number of protector. But now the vertex point to your right hand, we use the outside number of protector. This outside number use to count the measure, to draw the angle. Okay. Listen again. If the vertex point to your left hand, use inside number. If the vertex point to your right hand, use outside number. So now the vertex point B to your left hand, the center point on vertex B, the baseline on ray BC. Now find out the 60 degree from 0. Inside number there are 60. Okay. Make a mark. Make a mark. Done. Now it is joined with vertex B. We understand? Give the name there A. Now we got the angle ABC is equal to 60 degree. We understand? Same. Another side. We use the protector. The center point on vertex point B. The baseline exactly joined with BC. Now outside number 60. Make the point. Done. Now this point joined with B. Done. Give the name A, B, C. We got another angle measure. Angle ABC is equal to 60 degree. Do you understand? Now the first stage is complete. Now use the compass. Join with pencil. Get convection distance between metal point and pencil point. Done. Now the metal point on B and make the arc to both ray by the help of convection distance. Get a convection distance and make the arc to both arms, to both ray from the B by the help of compass. Okay. Same condition other side. Same condition other side. Get the convection distance between compass. Done. Now make the arc. Okay. Do you understand? Very good. Now look. Now again get convection distance. Given here point P, also here Q, here P, here Q. Okay. Now convection distance again. The metal point now on P and make the arc inside the arc, inside the angle, sorry, make the arc inside the angle from P. Pick up and stay on Q, same distance are not changed, same distance, make another arc to cut to intersection the first arc. Okay. Now again this side, look, the distance take in the compass and the metal point on P and make the arc inside the angle ABC. Pick up and stay on Q, same distance are not changed, make the arc to intersection first arc. Now find out the midpoint, find out the midpoint of the arc, and it is joined with B. Now same, okay. Now use the protractor and count. Look, here are point O, the ray BO, the ray BO show the 30 degree. Okay, same here, given here the name O. Now ray BO showing the measure also 30 degree. Do you understand? Look, here are 30 degree. Done. Now you know measure angle ABO is equal to 30 degree and measure angle CBO is equal to 30 degree. Done? Do you understand? Then ray BO is bisector of angle ABC. Bisector of angle ABC. Do you understand? Listen again. Look, angle ABO is equal to 30 degree. Angle CBO is equal to these angles also 30 degree. It means ray BO is bisector of angle ABC. Actually ABC is 60 degree. ABO 30 degree. CBO 30 degree. This line divided the angle into two equal parts. So it is called bisector. Do you understand? Listen again here. Now measure angle ABC is equal to 60 degree. Okay. Angle ABC 60 degree. Now measure angle CBO. This angle is equal to 30 degree. Measure angle ABO is equal to 30 degree. Then ray BO is the bisector of angle, bisector of angle ABC. Okay, do you understand? Very good. Now we learn next part to construct an angle equal in measure to given angle using a compass and ruler. It means they are given any angles. Now, so draw first one angle here. The angle now 50 degree. Now the revision of given parts. Look, draw the ray, the midpoint, the center point of protector, join with vertex, the baseline to the given ray. Now accurate, make the mark 50 degree at the point of 50 degree. Now draw the angle here A, B, C. Now measure angle. M for measure, it is the sign of angle. ABC is equal to 50 degree. Now use this angle, the figure, and contract an angle equal in measure to the given angle using compass and ruler. Okay, listen again. It is the first figure. They are given figure, angle ABC 50 degree. To contract an angle equal in measure to given angle using the compass and ruler. Okay, so draw again here any a ray. Draw here a ray. Okay, do you understand? Very good. Now open the compass and make a conventional distance. Okay, the metal point on the given figure, the vertex of given figure means B. Now make a arc, same, pick up and stay here, make a arc. Okay, do you understand? Same condition. Now make a other arc, make a other arc on another arm, same condition, make a large arc. Done. Okay, now the distance between these points is P and it is Q. Now it is B, here are P, here are point C. Now the distance PQ, okay, the distance PQ. Done. Same on P and make a arc. Find out the midpoint of these two arcs. Done. And this two parts are joined. Now use protractor and count the measure. Look, there are 50 degree accurate. Measure angle ABC is equal to also 50 degree. Now here given the name Q and another one A. Now listen the others example. Look, draw any diagram first. So ray, use protractor, the center point, it is baseline. Now make 90 degree angle. So make 90 degree point, join the ray, done. Give the name of this angle PQR. Okay. Now they are given the measure angle PQR is equal to 90 degree, done. Now to contract an angle equal in measure to given angle using a compass and ruler. Okay. So now again draw the ray. Okay. Name QR. Okay. Done. Now open the compass. Now the metal point on the vertex of given figure, done. Get conventional distance in your compass and make the arc to both ray. Make the arc to both ray. Pick up the compass and same distance are not changed on the vertex of Q. Make the arc. Okay. Do you understand? Very good. Now here are the point X. Here are the point Z. Now the X point here X. Now again use the compass, the metal point on X and the pencil point on Z, done. Okay. Now pick up the X and make the arc. Okay. Now find the midpoint of both arc. This point are joined. Give the name here Z and here also P. Okay. Now we got PQR 90 degree and also the other angle PQR is equal to 90 degree. Do you understand? Very good. Now exercise number 3, practice set number 3 complete. Okay. So this method do not use to solve the practice set number 3. Only first bisector method are used to draw the bisector. Okay. Thank you.